So today I'm going to be showing you how to make the bobble stitch. This is a really fun stitch that can be incorporated into any project and just add that little flair of personality to your project. So this stitch is actually really easy. It looks a little intimidating and like it might be for more advanced crocheters, but it is actually super easy and it just comprises of single crochets and double crochets put together. So if you know how to single crochet and you know how to double crochet, this stitch is for you. So what you're going to need for this tutorial is just some yarn and a crochet hook. This is a size 5 hook. Just use whatever works for you. So to begin this tutorial, what you need to do is just create your slipped knot, and you want to chain up however many you want your project to be. So for this one, I'm just going to chain 21 because I want 20 stitches. So to create the bobble stitch, you can do it directly into your chain row, but I prefer to give it a little bit of a base. So what I'm going to do is just single crochet back along, just to give it a little bit more of a sturdy base to hold on to. So I just like the way that this looks better, so I'm going to place my single crochets all the way along. Feel free to completely skip this step. It really is up to you. This is your project. Okay, so now that I have some sort of a foundation, what I'm going to do is just chain up one and flip my work over. So once you have what you want to place the bobbles in and you're ready to do a row of bobbles, you want to count your stitches so that you can place them evenly. So what you want to do, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's perfect. So say I want to place 5 bobbles in this project, I know that I need to place 1 bobble in every 4th stitch. So just do the math, figure out where you need to place your bobbles just so that they're even. It makes the stitch look a lot better. So what I want to do is single crochet my first 3. So 1, 2, and 3. So now I'm on my 4th stitch. So this is going to be your first bobble. So what you want to do is yarn over, then insert your hook in, yarn over, pull back through. Now you're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through the first 2 loops. Again, so you yarn over, you pull through the first 2 loops, then you yarn over, insert your hook back into that same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert into that same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through the first 2 loops. So the more that you do this, the bigger your bobble is going to be, but I think a good size for them is to do this 5 times. So you should have 6 chains on your hook. So one more time, I'm going to yarn over and insert, pull through, and then yarn over and pull through the first 2. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I have my 6 chains on my hook, and this is really important to remember your numbers so that your bobbles are all the same. So you can continue to do this, you can make them smaller, it's really up to you. So to finish this off, what you want to do is yarn over and you're going to pull through all 6 of the chains on your hook, and then it really just looks kind of like a petal. A lot of people make petals this way, but to make it a bobble, you're going to place a single crochet in the very next stitch. So don't chain 1 at the end, nope, you just place the single crochet right here. So single crochet, and there you have your very first bobble. So they come up on the opposite side, but if you want them on the side you're working on, you have something else on that side, they're super easy, you just push them through. So I'm going to push them through just for the purpose of this video so you can see it. So I already put one single crochet after this bobble, so I only have to do 2 more to get the 3 single crochets that I want in between each one. So single crochet 1, single crochet 2. Now for my next bobble, so yarn over, insert into the hook like a double crochet, yarn over, pull back through. So you never finish the double crochet, so you just yarn over again, insert, pull through, 2, so now I have all 6 loops that I want on my hook, so I'm going to yarn over, pull through all of them, and then single crochet into the very next stitch, and just pop my bobble back through. So then I need to do 2 more single crochets. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now I have my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over, pull through, single crochet into that very next stitch, pop the bobble out. So now your project looks a little something like this. You see those bobbles there? Very 3D. I just think they're so cute. So because the way I counted, my last bobble is going to be in the last stitch, but if you don't want to put one there, you don't have to. I'm just going to show you how to continue. So I'm going to skip that one and I will show you how to stagger them then. So you're going to chain 1, flip your work over. Now you should never do a bobble row right after a bobble row. You need to put something between them. So I'm just going to place single crochets all the way along. So this stitch, it really does help to count your stitches as you go along, just so you make sure that you don't miss any, because they're so condensed right here. So like I need to get this single crochet into there, and then you do need to single crochet right into the top of your bobble. So you should be able to just place your hook right under this loop and single crochet right through, and then just continue, chain 1 and turn. So now you can continue to place your bobbles in the same spot if you want. So you would just do 3 in a bobble, 3 in a bobble, 3 in a bobble, or what I like to do is stagger them. So what I would do is, because I did it on the 4th stitch to begin with, I would do it on the 2nd stitch. So what I would do, I'm just going to show you this real quick. So you would chain 1 and then put a single crochet, and then you would place a bobble here in your 2nd stitch. Single crochet in the next one, pop that bobble out, and then you would just do 3 for the rest of it. So you would crochet on the 4th one, so 1, 2, 3, and then my next bobble would be here, so you can see how they're going to be staggered then. Just keep going all the way down so you're placing your bobbles. how they line up with the first row in between the second row. So you can just keep going like that all the way down, and for as many as you want to do. So there you go. Now you know how to do a bobble.